Hey, what's up people? So this video today is going to be an unboxing of the Sony ZV-1 camera. This is an Amazon unboxing, so I bought this off of Amazon and it came in like a bundle. It had like a good amount of stuff with it, so we're going to unbox it. I haven't opened it yet. This set was $809. The camera that I'm currently shooting with right now is a Nikon D5200. It doesn't have autofocus at all whatsoever, so I have to come to the camera and change the dial and step back, and I even have like a little stuffed animal that I can fit in there. So it's not an ideal camera to be using when I want a clear picture. So even right now I think I'm a little bit out of focus, like here. And then if I move in, because I set it right here, but I move around, so I'd like an autofocus, and that was one of the main reasons why I bought this. And obviously with Amazon Prime, you're gonna get that fast shipping. I think I got this one took 1 day. Here's the box. Ooh, nice big box. So, like I said, I haven't opened it, so we're gonna open it and see what's all inside. I read some reviews that said like all the accessories weren't included, so hopefully that doesn't happen, but if so, I'm sure that they'll send them. Cut this open. Oh, shouldn't come towards me. Okay, so the box is open. And see, my camera, like I can't even step back and it won't even be in focus anymore. See? Terrible. I'm not saying this camera is terrible, I just mean for filming video by yourself, not very cool. Pull all this stuff out. There's this littler box inside of it. So, cut this open again. This is just so exciting. Alright. Okay, cool. So, let me just tell you guys everything that's in this thing. It's supposed to be. So this is a bundle again, like I said. It's the Sony ZV-1 compact digital camera with bundle. So, what does this thing come with? Okay, so in this box comes the camera itself. That's right here. And this should be white. I bought out the white one. We'll see. This shows the black one on here, but I mean, I guess I don't really care, but I wanted the white one because it looked clean. It matches my room in the back, but I don't care. So it comes with the camera. It comes with the battery for the camera. It comes with a micro USB cable. The camera also has a windscreen and a windscreen adapter that comes with it. And of course you get the manual. Also comes with a Deluxe carrying case, it says. And it comes with a little SD card. Not little, it's 64 gigabytes. It's Lexar is the brand. Really? My neighbors are having their yard landscape right now. Maintenance, I should say. It comes with PaintShop software. It comes with video editing software. So yeah, you get photo editing and video editing software with this camera, with this bundle on Amazon. And the software is from Corel, C-O-R-E-L. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. It also comes with a 12-inch tripod grip handle thing for vlogging. I haven't really done any of that, but if I need to, then I'm all set, right? I guess. It also comes with a camera, I guess like a cleaning little kit. It's also like a little accessory kit that comes in it. And that one comes with a lens blower, a lens sensor brush. You get some tissue paper for the lens of your camera, and you get a microfiber cloth. And all of those little accessories also have their own case as well. So there's also a case for your camera, and then there's a case for your accessories. This camera got 4.3 stars out of 5 on Amazon. I was reading some of the reviews, and a lot of YouTubers seem to like this camera, so I thought I'd give it a shot. It's gotta be way better than this one. So my next video will probably be shot using the Sony one, so we'll be able to tell the difference. I think I will. So that's a pretty good bundle. It comes with all that stuff. So now that I just read you that list, let's check in the box and make sure that everything is there to see if I'm not one of the other ones that didn't get everything. So here's the camera. And we'll just open this up here. Let's see. Here's all your warranty information. Here's your manual. And I'm sure they have like an online support, so if you needed their like an online manual. And yes, this is the white one. So here's the camera. And it comes in this case, which you're not going to use that, but here it is. Oh, it's upside down. So here it is. It's very pretty. It shoots in 4K and it has a flip open screen. It comes to the side right here. Wow, this thing is very, very pretty. I'm not gonna get into the technical specs and all that of it. I'm not gonna turn it on and do all that. This is not really gonna be an informational video. I'll try to not talk so much, but I'm just gonna basically this is just basically an unboxing just to show you what I got and what's in there in the Amazon bundle. Okay, it came with this bag in here. I have no idea what this is, but it was all folded up like it's something important. Whatever. Here's the little, this is the windscreen. So, because the microphone is right here at the top. I don't know if you can, well, you can't even see that, geez. See, this camera does not auto zoom, the one I'm using right here. I can't wait to start using this one, but yeah. So yeah, so it comes with the camera. There's the little, it's called the windscreen. So it's gonna block out background noises like fans and ACs going and stuff like that. Possibly maybe cars outside, I don't know. My neighbor was just doing their yard and I had to wait for like 20 minutes, 30 minutes for them to stop. Here it comes with the cable, the USB cable. I'm assuming this charges it. No, this does not gonna charge it because there's a battery right here. Yes, here's the battery. So it's an NPBX1 battery. So I'll probably buy some more batteries also so that you can have, so your batteries don't die on you. So basically that was everything that was in this little camera box. Let me just text something. I noticed that one of the things that's not included with the camera is like a charger for the battery. I don't know if it maybe just charges with that USB cable with the battery in the camera. I don't know. If not, I'm probably gonna have to order a charger. It doesn't say in here, so it doesn't list it at all. So just keep that in mind if you're gonna order this bundle or check this bundle out. It doesn't have a charger, but I haven't really fully checked out this camera all the way. So I don't know how it charges. Anyways. So here's the case to it. This is the case for the camera that they give you. Let me just open this up here. So here's this. It's pretty cute. It's got, it has straps right here, so if you need to make it like a shoulder thing going on. And it has a little front pocket right here. This is basically like probably like a travel one, so you wouldn't have to bring your whole big old camera case with you. This could be, yeah, so this one's very portable, very nice. Nice and lined, red inside, padded, real nice zippers, 2 zippers. So yeah, and here's the things for your straps right there if you wanted to do that. The brand is DG, I don't know. And then it has like, you could put your hand through it right here. So there's that, that's the case for that. This is the code and all that. I guess it's like a digital code. You could probably download it. There's the photo and video suite. PaintShop Pro and VideoStudio is what it's called. And they're both from 2020. There's that, you're gonna get that. So it's both, and there's 2 different codes right here and here. So that's pretty cool. I mean, I don't know how much this software costs on its own, but that's just pretty cool that they throw that in for you. Here is the hand grippy tripod thingy for vlogging. This one seems pretty sturdy. It has a leveler right here. I mean, honestly, this is my first vlogging tripod hold thingy. I've only been doing YouTube for about a month. So it's a rubber grip, and actually it's very, yeah, it's rubbery, so you can pull it open like that if you need to set it on a table. Adjustable. It's actually really heavy duty, it feels like. I like this. I'm sure it's not the best, obviously, but yeah, I mean, these things swivel a whole lot. Anyways, there's that if you want that. And then it comes with this. This is the accessory kit, and this one is like a hard case. So Deco Photo is the name of the brand, and this is a very nice case, like really nice. It has a nice zipper. And then in here you're gonna have all the accessories that they were talking about. Here's the wind thing, you can blow off dust with it. You got your camera lens cleaner, you just spray little squirts and then clean it with this microfiber cloth that they give you. And they actually gave you 2 of them. This one's humongo. Yeah, this one's a nice big one, so you can use that. And then there's this littler one. Here's the case. So here's a little mesh, you just stick the stuff in there like that. Here's the lens brush. It looks like almost like a makeup brush. I don't know though, let's see. I mean, it's made for your camera, so. Oh yeah, it's like some weird fibers that's probably good for your camera, I don't know. Here's that. And then here's this thing. So this pops out like that, and then this is a brush at the top right here. So I don't know if I was supposed to do that, but this little thing popped out at the bottom, and it's like, I cannot tell what's going on. There's like some felt or something at the top. I don't know if that's to like detail clean or something. I don't know, this thing kind of creeps me out. But anyways, there's this. So, and then it comes, so basically 2 brushes that you get, and then you get the tissue paper right here. So it's in like a little book, and it has little pieces, so. But yeah, and the case is really cool, so it comes with all that stuff. That's very nice. And then it also comes with this 64 gigabyte memory card right here. But yeah, this one's a 633X high performance. Don't know what that means, but in case you do, there you go. So yeah, it came with all that stuff. And just a couple of things about the camera itself. It has image stabilization, so if you're a little bit rocky, it's gonna not pick up that bumpiness for you. It's 20.1 megapixels. It shoots in 4K, so it's gonna give you an amazing picture. And again, the screen flips out to the side right here. Your windscreen is gonna go on top if you need it to be. Here's the inside of it. Little menu roll thing right here. Says it has face priority, so it like detects your face and focuses in on it, and that's the biggest thing for me, the auto focusing feature. I'm just so sick and tired of trying to focus this camera, because right now I think like I could go like this and it would go in focus completely. And this camera, I would have to get up and change it all. This one also has face smoothing or skin smoothing effects. So if that's something that you want to, and you can make it, you know, very, very high, medium, or low skin, or not at all, I believe. That's what it says right here in the description. This has Bluetooth capabilities and it's Wi-Fi enabled. It says the battery life is about 2 hours if you film at 120 frames per second. Even lower if you use 4K, so just keep that in mind. You might need to buy extra batteries to get you through like a whole session of doing a video like I'm gonna need. So I paid $809 for the bundle, like I said. You get about 18 things with this bundle. That's a pretty good price. I feel like this is gonna be an excellent camera. So here's your camera. Here's your warranty information right here that you get. This is your USB cord. This is your battery. This is your little windscreen. Here's your tripod, your carrying case, your strap, the software that they gave you, and your SD card right here. And this is the cleaning accessory kit. You get the case with it, the spray, the air blower, these 2 brushes, and you also get the 2 microfiber rags, and then you get these lens tissue papers. So I just want to thank you guys for clicking on this video. I know it wasn't very informational, didn't have too many technical things. If you need that sort of a video, you might have to watch someone else's. So, but thank you for staying with me all the way through the end if you did. You know, I always appreciate it when you guys stick with me to the end. I'll leave a link to the Amazon bundle so you can check it out for yourself if you want. And there's other types of bundles too. I just bought the cheaper one, not cheaper, the less expensive one on the Amazon, and I think it's still great. So check these out for yourself and see what you think. I've heard a lot of good things about this camera. Hopefully it goes really, really well for me. It should be a good fit to my YouTube lifestyle. Please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. If you have any comments or questions, you can leave them down below. I'll be sure to answer them. And hopefully I can help you answer any questions about this camera. But I'm very excited to start using it, so I can't wait, I can't wait. Hope you have a good morning, a good day, good afternoon, good night, good evening, whatever it is for you guys. Just have a great one. Please hit that subscribe button also. Thank you again for sticking with me to the end. I really, really appreciate it. Thank you, people.